Great news for spouses of U.S. green card holders. The October 2025 Visa Bulletin has brought some of the biggest advances we have seen in years for F2A category. If you or your spouse are waiting on a green card, here's what you need to know. First of all, the final action dates. For most countries, the cutoff date jumped all the way to February 1st, 2024. For Mexico, it advanced to February 1, 2023. This means that if your priority date is earlier than this cutoff dates, your case could now be eligible for approval. So then there's another date important for filings, and this dates for filing chart shows September 2022, 2025 for all countries. This means if your case isn't ready for final approval yet, you may already be able to file your green card application and get benefits like work and travel permits, which is your current date is going to be now is September 22, 2025. So there's a biggest jump in months compared to last month's bulletin. Final action dates advanced by about 17 months for most countries. For Mexico, the advance was around 12 months, and this is a huge leap forward and could bring relief to thousands of waiting families. So if you already have an approved I-130 petition, check your priority date, and if it's before September 22, 2025 for your country, you might now be eligible to get your green card. If your date is before the dates for filing cutoff, you can submit your paperwork early, which often means faster access to benefits like work authorization, even if you are still waiting for the green card itself. But remember, final approval depends on the final action date, not just the filing date. Of course, there's important things to watch. Retrogression risk. Because this is the start of the fiscal year, cutoffs may move backwards later if demand spikes. USCIS chart choice. For adjustment of status inside the US, always check with this chart. Filing or final action, USCIS says you can use that month. Consular processing. If you're outside the US, your case depends strictly on the final action date chart. So in short, the October 2025 Visa Bulletin is a great news for F2A spouses. That means spouses of green card holders. Dates have moved forward dramatically, opening the door for many families to finally reunite faster. Are you or someone you know waiting in the F2A line? Drop your priority date in the comments. Let's see who just become current. And don't forget to follow us. If you have any question, feel free to reach us out. This is attorney Ogmen. Have a great day.